Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to update apps, you firstly have to open the Play Store, then tap here, here, then go to My Apps and Games, and here you can find all of your apps and games which are up to date. So you can just update them one by one by tapping update button next to them, or you can just tap update all and update them all at once, but this could take some time, so it's for you to decide how to update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.